Good morning, students. Today we will continue the chapter more about water. Now let's see. Use your brain power. We can see the bottom of a pool of water only if the water is clean. Why? While carrying a bucket of water or down a slope, the bucket fell and the water was split. Will the water form a heap or will it flow away? More about water. It takes the slope of its container, is spread on a flat surface. It flows down a slope. The three states of water. Try this. Place a few ice cubes in a glass. See what happens to them after a while. If you take a glass and if you put a ice for a few minutes, we see it becomes a water. So it becomes the ice, it melt and it becomes a water. Try this. Do this experiment with the permission of an adult and under his her supervision. Heat some water on a burner. What do you see after some time? The water begins a boil. It boiling for some time and observe it. What do you see? There is less water in the beaker. Why is there less water from than before? Using tongue, hold a steel plate in the steam coming from the water only a few moments and remove it. What do you see on the underside of the plate? Droplets of water have formed on it. Where these droplets come from? When water becomes very cold, it freezes. That is, it turns into ice. When the ice is left uncovered, it gets heat from the air around it and it melts. That is, it forms water. When water gets enough heat, it turns into vapor. The boiling water in the experiment turned into vapor. That is why the water is in the beaker was reduced. As steam cooled, it turns into water, and the plate held in the steam was cooled. So the steam that collected on its underside cooled down, and droplets of water were formed. New terms state the form in which a substance may be formed, and the form in which the water is held in the air. So the water we use every day is its liquid state. Ice it is a solid state and vapor is the state of water in which it is a gas. Water vapors is a gaseous states of water. The three states of water. Solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. Solid state is ice, liquid state is water and gaseous state is a water vapor. So have some fun. Take a glass, wipe it dry inside and outside with a clean piece of cloth. Place 5 or 6 cubes in the glass. What do you see? It is no surprise if the glass become wet on the inside, but you see that the outside of the glass has also become moist. Isn't that stranger? What does this tell us? The air around the glass contains water vapor. When we put ice cubes in the glass become cold. That makes the air around the glass cold too. The water vapor in the air also cools and form very tiny droplets of water. They make the glass moist. What they make? They make the glass moist. This should only be done under the adult supervision. When chapati have been made and the griddle is still very hot, sprinkle a few drops of water on it. What do you see? The droplets sprinkle on the griddle become round like a beads and disappear, even as you watch. What is tell us? The griddle is very hot. The heat from the griddle changes the water into the water vapor all at once. So what do wet clothes on the cloth line becomes dry after some time? Take a water in a glass. Add a pinch of salt to the water and stir it with a spoon. What do you see? You do not see that there is salt in the water anymore. With a spoon, place a drop of this water on your tongue. You found that is tasty, is salty. Whenever you put a pinch of salt in a water, it becomes a salty water. The water was salty. It means that the salt is still there in water, though we cannot see it. In other words, the salt has dissolved in the water. Some substances dissolve in water. Then, several substances dissolve in water. Name some of them. For example, we can use a sugar also. Sugar dissolve in water, but it is tasty. It tastes sweet. Water has frozen. Water has to be frozen to make a ice. Many people have refrigerator in which the ice can be made. In factory, ice is made in the large quantities. Ice, candy or ice fruit is made by freezing water to which sugar, fruit juice and color have been added. What we have learned: water has no color, smell or taste. Water is transparent. Water takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Water spreads on a flat surface. It flows down on a slope. Water is found in three states: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous. Several substances dissolve in water. Always remember, we know that liquid water has many uses, but the solid ice and the gaseous water vapors are also useful in many ways. So we have seen that water has no color, no smell, no taste, and water is transparent and it is a colorless. So I hope a student read this lesson one more time. Thank you.